Hi, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the topic called array in C. Array plays the main vital roles in C. That means it's having the many advantages. That means it's having the grouping of data, homogeneous data, all the things, the types of array, all the things having the many advantages in C. That means before going into that topic detailedly, I would like to explain what is an definition of an array. Array is having a collections of data items, all the same data items accessed using the common name. That means it's having a collections of data items. That means many number of data we can initialize in that particular array, but all the data is coming under the one type of array name. That means a common name. Suppose I am going to initialize int add is equal to n number of data I can store. That means a 10 number of data. For an example, 10 number of data I can store into a particular name add. That particular name add is coming under the data type called integer data type. That is what is called as a heterogeneous data items. That means array is a collections of data items, all the same types access using the common name. That's what it's called as an heterogeneous data. And then types of array: one dimensional array, two dimensional array, and then multi-dimensional array. That means in one dimensional array we can store only one dimensional, that means a one single data list I can store it. Okay, in two dimensional array I can use the matrix format, that means a rows and columns format I can store the data. Then multi-dimensional array, in the sense more than one it's carried out the multi-dimensional array. Okay, then in this particular slide it's explained about the one dimensional array. One dimensional array is like a list. Okay, it's having a only one list, so that is what is like a list. Okay, then array is initialized when they declare just any other variables. It's also called as any other variable. That means a data type, variable name, then array variables elements that we stored into the particular data items. Okay, so it's also carried out the data type and then variable name. Then next is places are initialized using the curly braces. That means values are used initialize the curly braces. This is called as one dimensional array. And then two dimensional array. This two dimensional array is also carried out the rows and column format. In two dimensional array, sum of matrix, then matrix additions, matrix subtraction, matrix multiplications, or the operations are done by using the two-dimensional array. Scaling factor, the determinant. Sum of element in matrix is carried out the rows and columns matters. Here, this particular program is explained about the addition and subtractions of the two matrices. Here, this is a very important topic. That means the conditions of the two-dimensional additions and subtraction is if R1 is equal to R2 and C1 is equal to C2. That means a two row and then column should be matched. If R1 and R2 is equal to and then C1 is C2 is equal to, then it's proceed the furthermore, for I is equal to 0, I less than R1, I plus plus. That means initially it's carried out the 0 to n plus plus plus. That means I is increasing its place one by one. Then j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to C1, j plus plus. Okay, the next is the sum of I and j is equal to A of, that means A is a one matrix and B is another matrix. This is also added together and stored into the sum. The same way subtraction is also carried out. Sum of I and j is equal to A of I and j minus B of I and j. Else what, if it doesn't match the matrix, is we can't do the matrix additions or subtractions. So else what is some additions, matrix add and sub is not possible for the different order of matrices. Okay, so we have to match with the R1 is equal to R2 and C1 is equal to C2. This is very important concept. Next is matrix multiplications. In this multiplications, for I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to R1, I plus plus, j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to C2, j plus plus. Here the k is equal to 0, k less than or equal to C1, k plus plus. That means I and j perform together. That means R1 and C1 is performed together and stored into the sum values. Okay, a of I, a of k, asterisk b of I k, and then j, and then mul of I and j is equal to sum. Then is having the multiplication process and store into the multiplication value. Else what, the matrix multiplication is not submitted. Okay, the same way matrix scaling, all the things, transformation, all the things are performed in the array. In a multidimensional array, more than one data items are stored into the particular thing, that is called as a multidimensional array. So array is having three types. One is one dimensional, two dimensional and multidimensional. We have discussed 1 and 2 in this slide. In the upcoming slides we are going to discuss the multidimensional arrays. Thank you.